mentoring.
The thing that I will miss most about Madhav is his philosophy of always people first. He himself constantly follows it and keeps reminding the team. It is actually this philosophy that brought best out of each team member and created a very good bond within the team.
Is Madhav's enthusiastic nature.
Joining Ace team, not a single day was passed where I didn't take Madhav's name during casual discussion with my kids, my wife. So this I gonna really miss it. Thank you.
There are many things which I will miss in absence of Madhav. First, candies in his cabin. Second would be his surprise talk on tea table. Third would be his support or guidance in day-to-day life or for career.
Will miss his lengthy and important conversations we had, his office photography, and at last his daily cheerful and playful appearance in team.
What I miss the most about Madhav, I think, is his very lively presence and being able to walk into his cabin and talk about work, talk about team events, talk about how to be a professional and the constant learnings he gives us, and walk out with a handful of candies.
His wisdom on personal development.
The thing I will miss about Madhav the most is the way he holds us together as a team through different activities, and of course the chocolate candies on his desk and his candid photography of teammates.
Talking to him, his advice.
Hey Madhav, when I looked for meaning of Madhav, internet rightly picked that it is trustworthy to colleagues. And the other thing is, if you ask me what I miss, I'm definitely going to miss candies from your table. I may have to walk down 2-3 floors to get it now. The other thing is, I want to mention one special thing about ACE team, which is built by leaders like you. Is whenever we come up with some changes, proposals or problems or new requirements, they accept it open-heartedly. They are open to accept any feedback or inputs from product owners or product managers or anybody. So that's the great quality which has been built by leaders like you. Thank you for the association. Hope we continue like this, and all the best wishes for future endeavors.
Hey Madhav, you are the person I worked for a longest period in my full career. So apart from your mentoring, help in day-to-day activity, I will surely miss the liveness that you kept around by talking with people, taking pictures and keeping our WhatsApp group alive.
एक मैंने काफ़ी चीज़ें मिस होंगी मेरा और माधव का एसोसिएशन काफ़ी लंबा रहा. We have seen many planning cycles together, many execution challenges, many non-technical issues we have faced together. I think most what I will miss is the way he balances out things, gives equal opportunity to everyone, and the way planning and daily placeholder are two things where he will be missed throughout.
Hi Madhav, congratulations. Actually we couldn't spend much time working together, but I really enjoyed working with you in this short time span. All the very best to you, and I hope we work together in future. Bye.
Hi Madhav. So I started this journey with you almost 6 years back, and we have really grown under your leadership. Team size has gone up from 7 people to 40 people, and if you look around, very few managers have managed to do that in the span of say 6 years, and credit of that all goes to your leadership, your commitment, and the way you handle different kind of resources with all the managerial skills and techniques that you have. We'll try to take this forward. All the best for your future assignments. We'll definitely miss you. Bye. Thanks.
A good social being, good social animal, Zindabad.
helpful, understanding, zealous, and a very good observer.
Pleasant.
If I were to describe Madhav, I think I'll choose he is a true leader and he's a very good human being.
I am certain we can add all good adjectives to Madhav, but to my mind, what suits him perfectly is simply a leader. He exemplifies the culture and professionalism.
Madhav is generous.
One adjective that describes Madhav is true leadership.
People person.
Leader.
Accepting person is a key attributes of Madhav nature. There are other attributes, but I think most prominent is accepting people and caring about people.
Chat with Madhav inspire me a lot. It gives me a new way of working and motivates me to work hard. Apart from that, my beard is one of the inspiration from Madhav.
Even if there is a slight chance of photo session within a team, I am certain Madhav would be the first person to capture it. It is because of this enthusiastic nature of his, we have had very good memories of the team captured over the years. Had this not been a lockdown, I am sure Madhav would have captured golden memories of his farewell as well through his lenses.
People wearing similar colored dress.
Tomorrow is Saturday. Let's gear up for trek to Goradeshwar.
On a dull day in office, I think Madhav might get excited when he sees few people wearing same colored shirts or of the same pattern, and he might start clicking pictures of them.
One word which will excite Madhav is let's go to Shankarwad.
Let's plan track together over the weekend.
If day in office is dull, then Madhav will start capturing photos of team members.
So a dull day at office, and what will get Madhav excited? I think anyone wearing the same color shirts, he'll go and click photos of them, and anyone talking about buying a DSLR, I think he'll be very excited about that.
Sound of cork popping